Alright, so first of all, I'm going to start from top and go all the way to the back. I got Shadow Conspiracy burrs, ODI long neck grips, Sabrosa burrs, Poverty stem, Sabrosa headset. I got Sabrosa forks. I have Rant rims, laced to I think Sabrosa hub, and I got Animal TWWs, Tom Whitewalls, Tom Dugan. I have animal not pivotal seat, one-piece seat, Shadow Conspiracy pedals, Rant cranks, Sabrosa sprocket, KMC chain. I'm going to be getting a green one. And another Animal TWW on the back. And a Rant rim laced to a Sabrosa hub. And a 9-tooth driver. It runs 25.9.